What's up guys, Bobby from slicktext.com here, and today I'm going to show you how to create an SMS marketing campaign and how fast and easy it is with slicktext.com. If you're not familiar with SMS marketing, if you have a business or organization that you're working with, anytime you have a consistent customer on a regular basis that you want to reward, a great opportunity for you to get some additional return on investment. So let's get started. We're going to go to slicktext.com and we're going to go to the pricing page, and you're just going to pick your plan here. And I'm actually going to set up a free plan just to show you how fast and easy this is. Put in my info here. I'll do this is my direct line, just in case you guys are wondering. You can give me a buzz, ask me any questions. Let's do some kind of crazy password here. So I can remember this one. Hopefully those match. Alright, so next you're going to see that you're going to get a reply, and you have to use a text-capable mobile phone. You can't use a Google Voice number because they don't communicate with shortcodes. So you're going to get a confirmation message to your phone. This is going to confirm that you're human and not a spammer or some bot crawling our site trying to create an account. So I'm going to reply to this text message here, and in about 5 seconds or less, it's going to tell me to go to my dashboard. So we'll give that a couple seconds. There it is. Go to your dashboard. I'm going to click Go to Dashboard, and look at that. You've created an SMS marketing account. So now the next thing we need to do is create a keyword, or what we like to call it at SlickText, text words. And this word represents your list for your marketing purposes. So this one here, this business chose pizza as their text word. And if you notice, they sent out a campaign right after that, or this is the auto reply, sorry, that they received back, and the keyword shows up first, and then this is the customizable message that you actually compose and then gets inserted when a customer signs up immediately back to them. So right here, we're just going to click on this blue button, set up a text word. We're going to call this one, we'll do test. Or if for you guys, you may want to do the name of your business, let's do that instead. Let's say Roberto's. And we're going to pick this for marketing. There's 3 different ways that you can choose a text list to be set up as. When you choose one of these 3 things, it's going to insert different compliance messages within your auto reply. Also, when you're advertising, you're going to be required to provide different compliance messages based on what kind of list it is. So we're just going to pick marketing because I want to send promotional messages. Typically businesses aren't going to send more than 4 a month, so we're going to say 4 messages a month. That's 1 a week. We're going to grab this text word. Look at that, it was available. So I'm all set to go. So the next thing we're going to do here is set up that automatic reply that your customers get back once they text Roberto's to 31996, which is our short code. So you're going to notice this little pop-up right here. It's going to give you some great tips on how to set up an auto reply. It basically says if you're using it for marketing, offer a great coupon or maybe a deal for joining your list. You can click here to learn some more tips on auto replies. And we also have an example right here on how to set one up. Now if you notice, the whole reply, stop to cancel, help for help, and all that good stuff, that's already included right here. Since we selected this to be set up for marketing, it's already pre-pended and it's in there. So the couple of things that are required for marketing text list is the frequency of send, directions on how to opt out and get help, message and data rates may apply, and also a link to terms and conditions. Now you're going to notice when I start creating my custom auto reply that it's going to be added to this green box right here. So if we just follow our example up here, if we're a restaurant per se, we're going to say thanks for joining our VIP list. Remember, text list is exclusive. Show this text for 1 free appetizer. And if we don't have to include any of this stuff because our auto reply when we pick the word already set up all that good stuff. So thanks for joining the VIP list. Show this text for 1 free appetizer. We could also include an expiration stamp. Expires 14 days. And to order, call 1-800-688-6290, which is our 1-800 number. So give us a call. You can set your auto reply right here for your SMS marketing list, and then that's it. So you're almost done. you're pretty much done. You can tell people now to text Roberto's to 31996, but we need marketing flyers and we need to advertise this. So next, you're going to click on this purple button and you're going to go to the flyer generator. Awesome. So if you have a retail location, maybe you want to post up some flyers in your bathroom stalls, great spot for people to join, surprisingly. And let's say you have a server stand or table tents, you can pick one of these and you can cut these up. Free to print off and design. You just need a printer. You cut them up, insert them in your table tent, and then of course there's some couple other strategies for your servers to do as well, which involves verbally asking them. So we're going to pick this one on the left. And on this page, you're going to notice some easy stuff. This is the incentive. So get a free appetizer. All right, and this is the purpose statement. Join our VIP list. Pretty simple. What word do we want? I have Roberto's right here because that's the only keyword that I have set up. So it's going to be set up for that. It's going to show right here. And then how many times a month do we want to send to them? 4 times. And what's the name of the business? Roberto's Restaurant. All right, and then what we can also do is pick some Italian colors or something like that. Let's pretend it's an Italian restaurant. We'll do red, white, green, and some more red down here. And then all we're going to do, now that the colors are set, we're just going to generate this flyer, and it's going to pop up to download to your desktop, or you can just open it. So I'm just going to open it to show you what it looks like. Pretty cool. This is all free for our customers, and it also generates a QR code so that your customers can scan to join your text list, which is kind of cool because it essentially sets up a text message, inserts the phone number, inserts the keyword, and then the customer, all they have to do is hit send. It doesn't really cater to the majority of people which have, you know, flip phones and regular cell phones, but it is kind of cool to have a QR code on there. And that's it. So what you're going to do next is you're going to get those flyers printed, you're going to advertise your text message marketing list, and you're going to just let it grow. And then when you're ready to send a marketing campaign, let's say it's a week from now and you have 150 people on your SMS marketing list, you can go into your SlickText account and you're going to notice 2 buttons, the big green one here that says send a message, or the quick link up here that says send a message. And then you're just going to click on that. You're going to create a name for this campaign, the message that you're going to send out, and we're just going to call this test message. You only see that. You pick the list that you want to send it to. Roberto's, I have no subscribers yet, and then you're just going to compose your deal. Now, when you guys come on board as a paid customer of us, we put you into training, and we also give you some great guidelines on how to compose a great return on investment campaign. The next thing you want to do here is you can either send it immediately, or you can schedule this for, let's say, you know, Thursday's a little bit slow, or maybe Saturday you want to really blow out the restaurant, maybe release it before dinner time around 5 o'clock, or maybe 4:30. Strategically study your demographic, so you want to go ahead and schedule it or send it now. So there it is, it's scheduled. Everybody who's joined your list now on your marketing campaign, they're going to receive that message and hopefully call you to make some reservations or come in and give you some business inside your establishment. So that's how you do it, guys. It's pretty simple. Start to finish, we signed up with an account, we set up a text word, we set up an auto reply, we printed off some flyers, we got those hung up in the establishment, and we also sent a campaign as well. If you guys have any questions, get a hold of us, 1-800-688-6290. You can also email me at bobby@slicktext.com or info@slicktext.com, and somebody will respond to you. Thanks, guys.